Can't say I've ever seen a sunflower in bloom. They say that a sunflower starts the day looking down like this, and as the sun comes up and brightens, the sunflower starts to lift and lift until it is completely facing the sun. As the earth rotates and it seems that the sun is moving, so does the sunflower, following it all the way around until at the end of the day, the sunflower goes down with the sun. Hi, I'm Yvonne Thomas, and this is my very first YouTube video. I thank my husband Alfonso Thomas for suggesting that I do YouTube videos for instructional guidance on biblical principles to general audiences. I'm hopeful that the videos that I post on YouTube will answer questions that many people may have. I hope to have viewers and likers and subscribers and all those wonderful things that YouTube is all about. Like the sunflower, sometimes we also start our day all down and droopy, right? With issues and problems, worries, concerns, and all these things that make us blue in our mind from time to time. But just like the sunflower, there's the sun that we can look up to. Jesus Christ, the Son, who gives us hope and faith and love and reminds us of all those reasons that we have to live. I pray that as we go on this YouTube journey of biblical instruction, we find out how to study our Bible, find those verses that we can apply to our daily situations that will bring hope and give us a moment's inspiration for the rest of our day. And I hope that over time we become YouTube friends. Thank you for tuning in to this channel and have a very blessed day.